Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can fix the website template section disappeared on your home screen here of Google Sites in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, let's assume you don't want to work with these blank site projects here on Google Sites and instead would like to use some of these templates in the Google Sites website library. As you can see, these templates are not visible. They just disappeared for me, but if that's the case for you guys, there's a simple fix for that. So what you want to do is head over to the home screen of your Google Sites by clicking into this button top left, and here guys, next click into these three lines in the top left to access the main menu and select settings. And here simply make sure that you enable templates back again, confirm by clicking into OK, and there you go. Now you can go through these templates or to the template gallery and use one of these guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.